Everybody's on ChatGPT, which can write everything from entire blog posts to explanations of specific lines of code, and the results are shocking. While we're still figuring out how to integrate AI into our work routines seamlessly, it's clear that ChatGPT isn't the only AI tool that can boost productivity. Having gone through countless AI tools for some time, here's a list of the best ones designed to save time or light your creative spark. AI language processing models. The best place to start is with the category that really brought AI into the spotlight: AI chatbots. The best chatbots take things to another level by using advanced reasoning, coding skills, and even handling math problems for you. But ChatGPT is still the leading chatbot in this category. It runs on OpenAI's GPT-3 and GPT-4 models, and it's also easy to use. But Google wasn't going to be left out of the AI chatbot race, which is why they developed Bard, and they are actively updating it to make it better. The plan is to integrate Bard with other Google products like Search and Workspace. But if you're more of an open source enthusiast, Hugging Chat is the one to watch. It's the community's AI project, with contributions from developers over at Hugging Face's collaborative AI platform. Sure, its accuracy might not be on par with Bard or ChatGPT, but experimenting with Hugging Chat gives you a different flavor. So, why not give it a spin? Content creation AI tools. Writer's block can be a real pain, but there are AI solutions like Jasper that act as your writing assistants to make your first drafts fly off the keyboard. This should be your go-to if you need loads of content in a short amount of time. Jasper comes stacked with templates to kickstart your writing, surfs the web for research and sources, and even generates images using its AI magic. Now, if you prefer a different writing pace with some AI backup, Copy AI is an AI tool that acts as your writing co-pilot. All you have to do is input your text prompts, and it gives you a bunch of options to choose from. This is perfect for tasks that need some extra brainstorming, like copywriting. And then there's Anyword, the marketer's best friend, which is all about breaking content generation into small steps. You start with your prompt to get a bunch of title ideas, choose your favorite, and it generates an outline. Once you fine-tune that outline to your liking, you're all set to create the final piece, so you won't have to stare at blank pages anymore. Text enhancement AI tools. Spell checking has been around for a while now, but AI takes it to a whole other level. Before AI came along, spell checkers would just catch spelling mistakes and basic structure issues. And now it's like a language wizard that can even pick up on your tone. It doesn't just spot problems, it gives you smart suggestions to make your writing shine. For instance, Grammarly makes sure your English is on point. It helps you tweak your writing tone, and it's a pro at finding shortcuts to simplify complex sentences. And it's everywhere you need it to be, thanks to browser extensions. Then there's Wordtune, your go-to for discovering new ways to say things. All you have to do is toss in your text, and you've got a bunch of synonyms and suggestions. You can even ask it to rewrite entire sentences and blend those ideas into your final piece seamlessly. Video generation AI tools. It's amazing to see how AI is already making a huge impact in generating video. While full-blown video generation is still in the works, there are a bunch of AI tools like Descript that have stepped up their game. Now, this tool takes your videos and turns them into a script, but instead of messing with the timeline to trim audio and video tracks, you do your editing within the text script. As you make changes there, the video trims itself magically. It's a game changer for editing talking head videos. Even Wondershare Filmora has embraced AI by offering a bunch of AI features that can remove backgrounds, clean up noisy clips, and give your audio a makeover. The best part is that it sticks to the classic video editing user experience you're familiar with, so you won't feel lost. Then there's Runway, that's packed with some seriously cool features. You can use its AI to generate videos, train your very own AI models, and get artsy by painting parts of frames using text prompts. The learning curve here is a rewarding one, and the app keeps evolving at a rapid pace, so it's definitely worth checking out. Image generation AI tools. An image is one of those things that can tell a whole story without saying a word, and now you can create a stunning image with the help of AI. These image generators are pretty awesome. You just feed them a bit of text and they work their magic. It's fun and useful, especially with AI tools like DALL-E 2, which is pretty much like ChatGPT because they're both from OpenAI. So whether you're a newbie or a pro at crafting image prompts, it's got something cool to offer. It's a great starting point if you're dipping your toes into AI image generation. But if you want something different, you could try out MidJourney, and it's seriously impressive. Throw any prompt its way, and you'll get mind-blowing results even if it goes a little off course occasionally. The only tricky part is using Discord to access it at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll lose track of time as you turn your ideas into images. And then there's DreamStudio, powered by the Stable Diffusion AI model. This one's a bit more hands-on, but it gives you tons of control to nudge your prompts toward the exact results you want. It might take a bit more time to get the hang of it, but the results are totally worth it when you let your creativity run wild. AI transcription tools and meeting assistants. Ever find yourself zoning out during meetings because you're too busy taking notes? Well, thanks to AI transcription and meeting assistant apps, you can now turn spoken words into text, giving you the freedom to focus on your meetings. Plus, you'll have a great transcript to review later when you're in the right headspace. Take Fireflies, for example. It's your trusty companion for transcribing meetings and keeping track of all the juicy topics. It even has a bot named Fred, who's a pro at summarizing meetings, churning out text, and effortlessly digging through your meeting history to find what you need. Now onto Airgram, which covers all your basic transcription needs and then some. It adds AI data extraction to the mix, helping you pluck out important pieces of information, like currencies, names, or places from messy data. And then there's Crisp, which is more than just a transcription tool, because it eliminates all the background noise, making you sound crystal clear during meetings. It can also act as your transcription assistant, converting spoken words into text. So, whether you're editing a podcast or nailing all those important discussions, Crisp will take care of everything for you. AI scheduling tools. Let's face it, the back and forth of setting up meetings and scheduling can be a real hassle. In an ideal world, you'd just look at your calendar, hop into meetings, and get into your tasks at the scheduled time, and well, we're closer than ever to that now, thanks to AI. One tool that does this is Reclaim, which makes sure you never miss hitting your weekly fitness goals or your daily targets. But it's also a pro at protecting the time you need for all your important tasks by rearranging your schedule. But if you're part of a team, Clockwise is the AI tool you've been waiting for. It gives you a whole extra hour every week, and just to prove it works, it even schedules a 1-hour break shortly after you start using it. The best part is, you get to tweak the settings to craft your ideal day, where work, breaks, and meetings coexist in perfect harmony. AI automation tools. Each of the AI productivity tools we've talked about is impressive on its own, but when you want to integrate AI into your daily workflows, that means connecting AI to the other tools you already use. Zapier, for instance, is your go-to for automation. It lets you create workflows that link up with thousands of apps. Just describe what you want to automate, and Zapier will draft a workflow that you can customize easily. You can even whip up your own custom chatbot with it, and Zapier even connects to a whole bunch of apps, including OpenAI, ChatGPT, Jasper, Hugging Face, and thousands more. So you can combine the magic of AI with the sheer power of automation to enhance the stuff that really matters. Sure, AI tools are fantastic, but at the end of the day, they're just tools. They save you time, spark ideas, and offer new perspectives, but always remember to use your own judgment and stay focused on what you're trying to achieve. There's also a risk of getting caught up in endless prompts with AI or generating so much output that it becomes a headache to edit and piece together. So, it's a good idea to hone your cutting and editing skills to keep things in check. With all that said, it's time to go and boost your productivity with the power of AI. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you think is the most helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.